So today's problem is your average swing door multi-point action. It doesn't even have to be a multi-point action, just be any swing door. And the problem is it's touching your sill down here, right? So eventually it'll just start rubbing the paint off or it won't close. So it's nice and tight. And when you open the door, you can feel the drag and actually hear it. So the first solution, the easiest one, especially if the house is all finished. If it isn't finished, you might want to try and raise up the hinge side. But if you're already living in the house and the door is actually dragging, so we're going to open it up all the way like that. And then we're going to go to your bottom hinge right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put little spacings underneath it, and it's actually going to lift up your door on your other side. And it's just going to kick it over a little bit. So then you just grab a number 2 Robertson and your drill, and you take off the screws on the hinge pocket. You might be best off to actually use 2 guys to do this, because sometimes when you take it off, the door will actually slide, and it's really difficult to get it back on if you haven't done it before. So then you just pull the hinge out like that, and we are just going to use these little shims right here. So we're just going to pop them into the hinge pocket. It's going to be behind the actual hinge itself. So, and we're just going to fold that right there. Make sure it's actually in the pocket right here. And we're just going to grab our drill and our screws. And we're actually going to do one on this side. Just pop that out. I'm just going to use a different one. It's actually a little thicker on this side here. I'm just going to pop her in the hole and just re-screw it back in. You kind of want to hold it in place like that while you do it. It'd be nice if someone was actually holding the door too, but okay, so then we come back into the inside and we're about to close it. And before it was rubbing on the sill. Now there is no rubbing. And there is space underneath there. About a 1/16 of an inch that just did there. And most of the time that will be good. If you've tried everything that I've explained previously and it still rubs on your sill down there, please call Westech Windows Service Department and we will be happy to assist you.